Ever wondered what happens to the extravagant houses from home renovation shows after the cameras stop rolling? Let's dive into the story of the block's latest season, where things that might not be as they seem. In 2023, the block's auction left spectators in awe as participants secured life-changing winnings, but a year later, some of these stunning constructions have become vacant and are starting to deteriorate. Quote, house one built by Kyle and Leslie Cotton was frequently the butt of jokes during the show. Despite the judges' low scores, the Cottons remained hopeful. They sold their house for $3.1 million, but it remains unoccupied. The new owner, Adrian Portelli, had planned to raffle it off, but the winner opted for the cash prize instead. The situation hasn't been much better for houses 4 and 5, both purchased by Adrian. House 4, built by Steph and Gian Ottavio, was sold for $5 million, setting a new earnings record. However, it was later sold for just $1 at an auction due to the challenges faced in finding buyers. House 5, constructed by Eliza and Liberty Paschke, was reportedly overpriced according to real estate experts. Adrian bought it for $4.3 million, but found it difficult to find buyers in the pockets through lottery. Despite the challenges faced by these houses, House 2 and House 3, owned by the show's main antagonists, have fared better. House 2, built by Leah and Ash Milton, was sold to a private buyer, while House 3, owned by Christy and Red Beans, is currently home to content tenants. So what's the secret to success in the world of home renovation shows?
It seems that taking bold steps and standing out from the crowd might just be the key. But
with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.